In this video, I will demonstrate how to swiftly convert Figma designs into a fully responsive Elementor website. No worries, you don't have to know any fancy coding or meet any special requirements in Figma. Now, in your Figma file, locate the frame you wish to work with. Right-click on either the navigator or canvas, and select Copy and Paste as followed by Copy Link to Selection. Then go ahead to Figwebx dashboard and create a new task. Paste your Figma design section link in the first box. In Page Builder box, you can choose your appropriate output builders. Don't forget to enable this wonderful AI feature. Afterward, click on Create and wait for some minutes. Once the export processing is completed, you can copy data as in this previous task. Let's move on to Elementor canvas. Right-click and choose Paste from Other Site option. Confirm the pasting process by Ctrl or Command and V. And the result promptly appears. In this step, you can customize anything in Elementor. To achieve an optimal layout, you should begin by adjusting the theme's width. With the Elementor core, this tool can reach 70 to 80% compared with the original standard Figma design. If you care about Elementor structure, the DOM is optimized with card box or dynamic list. This operation delivers the most impressive results in terms of loading speed and DOM performance. Within some minutes, you now can create a web page with Figma design. Whether you're a designer or someone who doesn't specialize in coding, this tool is designed for you. Give it a try and share your thoughts with us.